I'm a little frustrated. I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. I know that we don't typically talk about politics. I try not to. I'm a conservative, typically Republican leaning. But you know what? Our government is just beyond stupid lately. And they've given us a lot of ammunition against them with a lot of very dumb things. And unfortunately, it seems like a lot of this is coming from the president, right? It's coming from Trump, who typically I would support. But they've talked about 15-year more car loans. They've introduced 50-year mortgages as an option. And now they want to give $2,000 away to people earning less than $100,000 as tariff refunds, or whatever they're calling it. Okay. And again, don't quote me verbatim. I'm just giving you my opinion based on the information I've read. A lot of this stuff has been out there, so I may have the wording wrong, but I think you get the gist. Okay. We don't have to agree, but at least get the gist of what I'm saying. I'm not quoting biblical facts here. I'm just spitting it out the way I seen it, the way I heard it. But anybody who has any common sense at all about getting your financial house in order, the last thing you do is spend money you don't have. When you are $38 trillion in debt, or let's be just like an average person, you're $380,000 in debt, you don't give $2,000 to anybody except to your debt collectors, especially when you're behind. This is debt that we can't even give. It's like a credit card debt. There's nothing to back it up. There's no securities to it. And they want to give money back as a tariff refund to people that make less than $100,000. Well, I don't have a problem necessarily with that dollar amount. It's just the fact that we've just found out about all these things that have been going wrong with the Affordable Care Act. We know that the Social Security and Medicare were scammed by, I've heard as much as 4 million people were on collecting Social Security that were illegals, that were giving Social Security numbers in one way or another. We have a lot of programs that aren't getting properly funded, or are behind, or were wrought with fraud that need to be fixed before we give money back. And I'm being honest here. I wasn't a fan of this when Biden did it, not because it was Biden, but because it didn't make any sense to give money back instead of just giving everybody some tax relief. Wouldn't that be more fair to give everybody a tax relief the same way that we do everything else? Make things fair, spread the equity out to everybody. But in this particular case, I just think it's ridiculous to talk about giving back money from tariffs that we just got in as a way to say, oh, thanks for supporting tariffs, especially when the Supreme Court still hasn't ruled whether he actually has the ability as president to enact these tariffs legally without Congress's approval. So what are we going to do? Give the money away? And then when they say we have to give the money back to the countries we tariffed, they're going to come back to you to get your money back? The whole thing is just silly to me. And one of the things that I talk about a lot on this channel, because I'm trying to help and share my opinions and views about getting ready for retirement, the first thing you want to do to go into retirement and to go into having good financial health at all at any age of the game is to minimize your debt. Minimize your debt. Minimize your debt, because debt stays with you forever if you don't do things actively to get rid of them. And that would include the federal government. And I've said this a few times and responded as well to some comments lately as we've talked about some of these issues that have come up. Anytime the federal government gets involved, it drives up prices, it kills the free market, and it costs everybody more money, and it's wrought with fraud and corruption. Plain and simple. So keep our money. That's our money that should be offsetting our taxes. I don't need you to give it back to me or to anybody as a gift. Keep it and pay it toward our bills. Pay your bills. Do that first. My gosh. And I'm just a blue collar worker here, folks. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure this crap out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you got one. I'd appreciate hearing it. Thanks.